Hello students, good morning, and today I will start new chapter money under macroeconomics class plus 2. So in the olden days there is no money, there is a system. That system is known as water system of exchange or water exchange or water economy or CC economy. The meaning of these three, 1, 2, 3, is exchange of goods against goods. For example, rice and wheat. One person needs rice, he will exchange wheat with rice. Now the question here is CC. CC stands for commodities are exchanged for commodities. For example, rice against wheat or any other goods. Those parties, those who are in need, so they are exchanging goods A to B and B to A. So it has some limitations of CC economy. There are so many limitations which make problem for the development of the economy. So these are the limitation of CC economy based on principle of double coincidence of wants. For example, rice against cotton. Double coincidence of wants means two individuals are exchanging goods each other. So it is very difficult to calculate the value of the goods. Number second limitation is lack of common measure of value. For example, gold against silver. The value, the amount of gold of 10 gram is approximately rupees 47,000. On the other hand, silver, the value of 10 gram is rupees 420. So it is very difficult to exchange gram against gram, 10 gram against 10 gram. So this is one of the limitation is lack of common measure of value of goods which we are exchanging. Then future payment. It is also known as standard and deferred payment. Standard and deferred payment are those, it is very difficult under CC economy to make future payment because maybe the cost of good today is something else. After 5 years the value is more, and there is a gap of time that affect one party and will benefit the other party. There is no justice. Then next limitation of CC economy is lack of store of value. So we are exchanging goods. For example, let us take one example. 1 kilogram gold will be exchanged against 100 cows. It is very difficult because 100 cows needs more space, more time to manage, but 1 kilogram gold needs less time, less space and can be stored easily, but value, on the other hand, lack of divisibility. It is very difficult to divide under CC economy the value of the goods. So these are the limitations will create and overcome by the evolution of money. Money play a key role for the limitations. To remove these limitations under the CC system, double coincidence of wants can be removed, common measure of value can be removed, standard and deferred payment or future payment can be removed. We can store the values and also divisibility. So people will pay money against goods whatever they need. So in the next video I will discuss the meaning of money, evolution of money and different kinds of money and the present system till today. Okay.